Statistics, Modeling, and Finance, Chapter 5, Valuation Models, page 16. Advisory Opinion 18. Advisory Opinion 18 further states, when using an AVM in an appraisal or appraisal review assignment, an appraiser should have a basic understanding of how the AVM analyzes data to determine whether the AVM measures and reflects market activity for the subject property. The appraiser does not need to know or be able to explain the AVM's algorithm or intricacies of its statistical or mathematical formulae. However, the appraiser should be able to describe the AVM's overall process and verify that the AVM is consistent in producing results that accurately reflect prevailing market behavior for the subject property. If you are interested in AVMs, you may wish to read Advisory Opinion 18 in the USPAP publication. End of page. Page 17, AVM Standards. In July of 2024, federal agencies issued a final rule requiring institutions to adopt quality control standards for automated valuation models, AVMs, used in certain transactions. The rule will become effective in October of 2025. The rule applies to supervised mortgage originators and secondary market issuers that make credit decisions or securitization determinations, either directly or through a third party. The rule's goal is to ensure that AVMs used in these transactions produce reliable estimates and protect against data manipulation. The standards require institutions to adopt policies, practices, and procedures. Ensure confidence in estimates, protect against data manipulation, avoid conflicts of interest, require random sampling, testing, and reviews, comply with non-discrimination laws. The new standards can be found here. End of page. Page 18. AVM Summary. AVMs are here to stay. Some appraisers look at them the way a mailman looks at a snarling dog. But AVMs are not here to eat us up. We need to understand how they work and how they can be integrated into our appraisal business today. It is incumbent upon you to keep up with trends. Here is a summary of some of the strengths of AVMs. They are fast. They are free of appraiser bias. They have a low cost. They can be a source of property data. They can help understand value trends. They can help assess probabilities of value. They can be utilized in reviewing and quality control. Here are some of the weaknesses of AVMs. They cannot ascertain property condition. They ignore marketability issues, such as supply and demand. They do not work well in heterogeneous areas. There is no data verification. They are not very accurate. End of page.